2 of lesson 60, and I want to do a second example. If I had sine squared theta minus the sine of theta equals 0, same range of 0 to 360. Again, this would be similar to our algebra problem where we have x squared minus x equals 0. So we are going to treat the sine of theta as a variable just like x and factor him out. So sine theta times the sine of theta minus 1 equals 0. A product of two factors equal to 0. One of the factors has to be 0. So sine theta is 0, or sine theta minus 1 is 0, in which case sine theta is equal to 1. Now, both of these are special situations, remember, because our cosine and sine is our x and our y. So on our unit circle right here, we have that location is 1, 0. So here's where my sine is 0, and this location is negative 1, 0. So here's where my sine is 0. So this first scenario, theta is going to be 0 degrees or 180 degrees. Again, on my unit circle, my location here is 0, 1. My location here is 0, negative 1. So this second scenario, when the sine of theta is 1, is only going to be 90 degrees. So we've got 3 possibles: 0 degrees, 90 degrees, and 180 degrees. Now, I walked through this one also because I want to caution you that you look at this to begin with, you might say, oh, I could divide everything by the sine of theta. If I started with sine squared theta minus sine of theta equals 0, it is a logical move, a legal move, that I divide everything by sine theta, which reduces my equation down to sine theta minus 1 equals 0, which is still going to give you this second one right here. That's this scenario. But when you do that, you'll notice that you won't ever come up with these two possibilities here. So be very careful when you're going to divide everything in your equation to divide by your variable. You're losing possible solutions. So it was better that we factored him out rather than divide everything through. So be cautious there so you don't end up with less answers than possible. All right, thank you very much.